how to send an email in Salesforce. So first, go to your Salesforce dashboard here, then just click on the contacts here, then click one of your contacts, and then locate their email and then click their email. Then this will pop up. So just connect your Gmail account here, or you can connect your Google account or your Microsoft account. You can choose among these two. Okay, now just click on next, click on connect account. Okay, choose your account, then click on continue, select all, then continue. Okay, now just click on done. Okay, now click on the email again. Then now you can type in what you, for the subject and for the body of the email, what you want to say to this guy. Then just click on send or send later. And that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one.